Episode 9, The Japanese Mission. Hello everyone. In a previous episode, we explored St Francis Xavier's voyage to the Southeast Asia. Today, we dwell into the pivotal phase of Xavier's life, the Japanese mission, detailing his efforts to reach Japan, the initial reception by the Japanese, and the development of Christian communities in the country. Xavier's journey to Japan. Xavier's journey took him to Japan, a unique and culturally rich country that had limited exposure to Christianity at the time. His aim was to introduce the Christian faith and establish a presence in this uncharted territory. Arrival in Japan and initial reception. Upon Xavier's arrival in Japan, he encountered a populace that had not yet been extensively exposed to Christianity. The reception by the Japanese was varied, with some showing curiosity and openness to the new faith, while others remained cautious or indifferent. Engagement with the Japanese population. Xavier engaged extensively with the Japanese population, attempting to understand their language, culture, and social dynamics. His approach involved adapting to the local customs and building relationships with the people to communicate the Christian message effectively. Efforts to spread Christianity. Xavier tirelessly preached and taught the Christian doctrine, aiming to reach the hearts and minds of the Japanese people. He shared the message of Christianity, emphasizing its moral and spiritual teachings in a manner that resonated with the cultural context of Japan. Xavier's efforts gradually bore fruit, leading to the establishment of Christian communities in Japan. Although the growth was not immediate or widespread, these early communities formed a foundation for the growth of Christianity in the country. Challenges encountered in Japan. Xavier faced challenges in Japan, similar to those in other regions he had visited. The cultural differences, language barriers, and the deeply rooted Shinto and Buddhist traditions presented significant hurdles in the acceptance and growth of Christianity. Legacy of Xavier's mission in Japan. Despite the challenges, Xavier's mission work in Japan left a profound legacy. His initial efforts laid a groundwork for the eventual growth of Christianity in the country, influencing the formation of Christian communities that will grow and thrive over the years. Xavier's endeavors had a lasting impact on Japan. The Christian communities that emerged from his work continued to exist and expand, contributing to the cultural and religious diversity of the country. St Francis Xavier's mission in Japan marked a significant step in the development of the Christianity in the country. His efforts, despite challenges, laid a groundwork for the growth of the Christian communities that persisted and expanded over time. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In upcoming episodes, we will further explore Xavier's missionary journeys and the challenges and successes he encountered in other regions as he continued his mission. Stay tuned for episode 10, where we'll delve into Xavier's legacy and the enduring impact of his missionary work.